here's how you can get 50% off your favorite resto. Hey guys, so nandito kami ngayon sa Alabang Town Center. Hinahanap namin ngayon yung Sheilin kasi nag-avail kami ng 50% off during their lunchtime. If curious kayo kung paano kami nakakuha ng 50% off, as in sobrang dali lang nito guys. First thing you need to do is to download Eatigo app. Yan guys, so after nyo ma-install, create lang kayo ng sarili nyong account, then click sign up. Yan guys, so after nyo mag-create ng account, click nyo lang yung explore. Then dito, isearch nyo lang yung restaurant na gusto nyong pagkainan, including yung preferred nyo na branch location. Then make sure lang guys na yung pipiliin yung date is yung meron silang ino-offer na 50% off. Iba-iba pala guys yung ino-offer nilang percentage ng promo depende sa oras na pipiliin nyo. So in our case, pinili namin dito yung 3 PM para makuha namin yung 50% discount. And make sure lang guys na dadating kayo sa tamang oras na ini-schedule nyo kasi meron lang silang 15 minutes na grace period. So download nyo na rin yung Eatigo app and get as much as 50% discount.
And by the way, hindi to sponsored video.
So Eatigo, baka naman.